Hey, congratulations. You've requested our free guide called Why Your Renovation Cost is More Than You Expected. And that puts you in a class of your own because most consumers looking to renovate never even take this step. The free guide is on its way to you. However, please allow up to 10 minutes for it to arrive in your inbox. So while you're waiting, I'm going to share with you some tips so that you are really clear about what it takes to renovate without having budget overruns. You're one of the few people planning to renovate their home who is prepared to take the time to invest in learning what you need to do before you start the design process. So where most consumers get frustrated and end up wasting a lot of time and money on is the designs which never get built. You're going to be able to move right past that and get the renovation built a lot faster and easier than you might think possibly right now. And the reason I know this is because I've been renovating homes around Brisbane for the past 30 years. During this time, I've gained a reputation as an authority when it comes to renovating to a budget. And in this 4-minute video, I'm going to walk you through some essential information that you must know before you start the design process, so you can avoid making a very expensive mistake. If we haven't officially met, my name is Wayne White. I'm the company director and builder at Constructive Homes. We are Brisbane custom home renovation specialists. So let me tell you what we're going to cover here. I'm going to show you how to get your renovation designs built within your budget. However, this is really just one part of the bigger picture. So I'm going to show you and walk you through all the important steps that you need to know right now. And I'm also going to show you exactly where this falls in the big picture, because there's a bigger challenge to get from conceptual ideas to completion. And I'm going to tell you about this as well. But first, let me walk you through why your renovation cost is more than you expected. Listen carefully as I walk you through each step. Number one, know your budget. Remember, you're not negotiating the price at this stage of the process, and share that number with your builder. Number two, don't waste money on renovation designs that don't get built. It may surprise you to learn that over 80% of designs never get built if a builder hasn't been involved in the process at the early stage of the designs. Number three, know where you and your family will live during construction. If you do have the fortunate circumstances of being able to stay in the home whilst it's being built, be aware of the inconvenience this may cause. Number four, know your selections. Best to have this carried out prior to saves you hold-ups during the build. Number five, the key to ensuring your renovation project proceeds to build stage, build trust and rapport with your builder, and the project will run like clockwork. Now, as I've said earlier, to accurately calculate your renovation budget is just a part of the bigger journey that you're about to embark on. And we have a proven process with every specific step that you must take in order for you to get from conceptual ideas to completion, which is why I'm offering you a completely free 20-minute phone consultation with me personally, so you can get your expert advice on your renovation budget and whether it accurately aligns with the actual build costs. If you want to renovate to a budget without budget overruns, my time is valuable, so I'm only available to offer a limited number of free consultations. However, I do believe these sessions are essential for anyone who is considering starting the design process. So I try to do this as many as I can without impacting the time I have available to look after my existing clients. Having said that, these sessions are not available to everyone. In order to qualify, you need to own your own house and be ready to start designing your renovations. So if that's you, then I'd love to have a chat, hear about your plans, and steer you in the right direction. So go ahead and pick a day and a time that suits you.